The jury returned a verdict of $100 million in compensatory damages. And then we went to a punitive damages phase, and they returned $4.8 billion in punitive damages. I have a copy of the verdict form in my wall.
No, and it's great. This was 30 years ago. You remember every fact.
Absolutely. If you ever hear a jury say $4.9 billion, that is something.
Mara remembers like $11,900. You know?
Yeah.
You know, you're getting like Dordick now. You know,
What?
You stop talking about my verdicts.
Okay,
There's some good ones in there too.
There's some good ones.
For sure.
Well, Carl, congratulations on that verdict. So I'll probably finish this
Hey.
pour and probably a few other ones.
Absolutely.
But
You know, I have a good story. One time when I was a new lawyer, I went to the Compton courthouse, and in my department, Carl was trying the case, and I still remember it like yesterday. I went in there for a status hearing. I don't remember, maybe he'll remember this case. It was in Compton. They had on the plaintiff's side, must have been 20 lawyers. They had folding tables set up all around the courtroom. Everyone had like their own little folding table from Costco. And I was like, why did they need 20 lawyers on the plaintiff's side of this case? What was that case?
That was the trial moral that I won the Trial Lawyer of the Year award from CALA. There had been 20 workers who were working 40 feet up, creating the structure for a water treatment plant. They were using old scaffolding, and the scaffolding collapsed, and men were running for their life to try to avoid the collapse. People had their legs impaled. There were like 25 different plaintiffs. We had a joint trial. Dana Fox, I remember, was the main lawyer on behalf of the defendants. Jeff Wells brought me on. Dennis Elber, one of the main lawyers. The three of us tried the case on liability. And then after we won on liability, I was able to secure a second plaintiff for damages. There were perhaps 25 plaintiffs. Only one was Caucasian American. He was able to run from the collapse and not fall. And I was able to secure a great 7-figure verdict for him, even though he didn't fall.
Wow.
I remember that trial because Dana Fox
I've had 4 against Dana Fox,
Okay.
so I'll tell you.
told the jury in closing argument, I think you should award this lead plaintiff $8 million because that would be fair.